Hello everyone. In this series of Business Skills to Cash course, this is our second video, and in this video we will be discussing about the personal mastery. So let's first understand what is personal mastery. In simple terms, personal mastery means to be the best version of yourself. It focuses on continuously learning, improving and analyzing yourself. It makes you how to be a good team player, how to deal with the clients or stakeholders, how to manage the stress of work, and many more things. Those who possess these skills get an extra edge in their career and professional life. So we will cover each and every topic on this unit. So please do subscribe this channel so that we get a motivation and continue to upload such videos. Let's start. Our first topic is 8 principles of personal mastery. The very first is set your goal is important. Deciding what you want to achieve is a big step. Having a goal gives you some things to work toward. So first set your goal. Second point is prioritize what is most important. Figure out what things are the most necessary and focus on those first. Suppose you have the 4 things to do in a day. Then prioritize what is most important. Then do the important thing first. Third point is develop self-confidence. Believe in yourself and your abilities. When you have a confidence, you feel sure that you can do things well. Fourth principle is be on your commitment. Suppose you commit to your clients that you will deliver the project on a certain date, then you should deliver the project on or before the date. That's the commitment. Fifth point is adapt work with change. They say change is the only constant of the life. So always be ready with the changes. Accept harsh realities of life. Understand that life can be tough sometimes. It's okay to face difficulties and learn from them. Let go of negativities. Leave behind negative thoughts and feelings that hold you back. Focus on positive things instead. Eighth principle is deal with difficult and challenging situations in life. Face tough times with courage. Find ways to handle challenges and learn from them. Moving to the 7 pathways to personal mastery. The first point is personal vision. You should have a clear and inspiring mental image of your desired future. You should have a goal what you are going to achieve in the next 5 years or 10 years. Suppose you are working on a Python. So if you still want to be a Python developer or you want to change to another technology. Second point is personal purpose. Whatever your vision is, you should have a solid reason backing your vision. Third point is personal values. This is the very most important. You should work on building your personal values in terms of respect or the knowledge. Our fourth point is personal alignment. Personal alignment is about ensuring that your actions, behaviors, decisions are consistent with your vision, purpose, and values. These 3 points are important. It involves harmonizing different aspects of your life to create a sense of balance and integrity. Personal transformation. It often requires stepping out of your comfort zone, embracing change, and developing a new skills. Sixth point is personal perception. Personal perception involves how you view yourself and the world around you. It includes beliefs, attitudes, and mindset. The seventh point is personal awareness. Personal awareness is the foundation of personal mastery. It involves self reflection, self awareness, self mindfulness. Being aware of your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors allows you to make conscious choices and respond effectively to various situations. Now, our next topic is developing growth mindset. The very first is result orientation. You should focus on getting result from your work, irrespective of the method you choose. At the end, you should get a result. The second point is ownership and accountability. You should take the full ownership and be accountable to your work. The fourth point is collaborative way of working. Working together with others in friendly and helpful way. It's like being part of a team where everyone helps each other. Agile mindset. Having a flexible and adaptable way of thinking, it's about being open to changes and ready to adjust your plans as needed. Our first chapter inside this unit is result orientation. Let's understand the result orientation with an example. Let's understand result orientation with the maths example. Suppose there is a maths problem, and in the maths you have the number of ways to solve the problem. Suppose there are 3 ways: first, second, and third. Whether you choose the first or second or third, irrespective of these methods, at the end you should get the answer. So that's the result orientation. Focus on the result only, irrespective of the method. 4 ways to become result oriented worker. So measurable projects focus on tasks or projects where you can see and measure the outcomes. This way you can easily tell if you have achieved what you aimed for. It means you should always work on the project in which you have the knowledge. In this way you can measure what you have achieved while working on the projects. Second point is case studies. Treat everything you work on a case study. Whatever you do, you should do it like a case study. This means you analyze what you did, what worked well, what could be improved. Learning from your experience helps you do better next time. Third point is measure outcomes. Look for ways to create big and important results. Instead of just doing small tasks, aim for accomplishments that have a significant impact. The four ways for to become result oriented: improve work style. Make your work of working better. This might involve organizing your tasks, managing your time well, or finding ways to be more efficient. Chapter 2 is ownership and accountability. Ownership and accountability are essential qualities for personal growth and success. Taking ownership means recognizing our responsibilities, actions, and decisions. Accountability means being answerable for our actions, accepting consequences, and learning from mistakes. So let's do some MCQs for practice. Question 1. Which quality helps individuals become aware of how their beliefs, attitudes, and actions influence them and take responsibilities for their work, behavior, and thoughts? The answer is personal mastery. Second MCQ is: what is the primary goal of being a result-oriented worker? To prioritize what's most important, to work on projects with measurable results, to foster a positive team environment, to adapt work with change. The answer is B. To work on projects with measurable results. Question third is: what are the essential qualities for personal growth and success that involves recognizing responsibilities, actions, and decisions? So the answer is B. Ownership and accountability. Similarly, fourth question is: which pathway to personal mastery involves aligning personal values with actions and decisions? The answer is C. Personal alignment, as we have studied in our previous notes. So that's it for this video. Please do subscribe this channel.